Alright guys, so if you have a portable grinder tool like this, it's for grinding and cutting and hobbies. It's like the little Dremel style tools that we've all come to love. This is the one that's made by a company called Katerk. They also make a very large accessory kit that I'm here to show you today. So let's check out and see what we get with this accessory kit. Alright, so this is the actual original kit that you would buy. This is separate from what I'm showing you today. But you can see that you just get a base amount of bits and sanding papers and stuff when you buy the actual tool. Now this kit does not include the tool. This is just their large accessory kit for all the different, for the grinding tool itself. I'm loving it already because it's already in this very nice case. You do have a large manual that's going to show you what all the different tools are, what they're used for, how to use them. And then here is the actual 420 piece rotary tool accessory kit. How nice is this? Check out this case. It is made out of like a nice durable ABS plastic all the way around. We're going to flip it open to see what's inside. And look at all this goodness right here. They have so many options in here for you. You even have all your different cutting discs, your jeweler's rouge. Let me just bring the camera a little closer and give you a better look at this. All right, so you can see this is for your cutting wheels. This is for attaching your polishing wheels. You have stones, you have different engravers and carvers. You also have different size drill bits. You have your different brushes. You have the brass brush, the plastic brush, the steel brush, more drum sander holders right here. You have more polishing wheels of different types of grits. You also have the polishing pads as well. You have more brushes down here, the stainless steel, the plastic, and the bronze, the cup style brush, and the flat style brushes as well. If we come in here, you can see that these are your different cutting wheels, your jeweler's rouge, your flat sanders. You have the different colettes right here. You can also see all these different, you have the large drum and the small drum sander. You have two sanders in each one of these. You also get the tool or the wrench for changing. You get the polishing wheels. There's the diamond cutter. Here's the little flapper wheel with the sandpaper. The larger cutting wheels, more polishing pads, more polishing stones. Very cool indeed. A very complete set. Of course, the way that you use these is you just take your Katerk grinding tool and you would loosen it up and you would just select whichever grinder that you needed, insert it, hold it, and tighten it, and you're ready to go. This is going to be a great starter kit because it's going to give you a wide variety of tools. If you haven't quite narrowed down your hobby or if you're not sure which ones would be right for you, you can buy this full set and you get a little bit of everything in here. I mean, you can even check out these cutting wheels and you can see how many cutting wheels you get in here. I mean, look at all those wheels. So they're going to give you quite a large variety of accessories and tools to use and to learn with, and then you can just replace whatever you use up as time goes on. Those are the little flat sanders right there. And all these little tubes are chock full of bits and sanders. You even have multiple grits of sandpaper. You can see this is a finer sandpaper than the other one. So a very nice set indeed. This is going to be the perfect complement to your current Katerk tool and setup. This is going to pretty much cover any hobby or any type of work that you need to do with this tool. As I said, you can drill, you can engrave, you can grind, you can trim, you can polish, you can sand, and you can help make your hobby life so much easier. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.